everyone! Today we are leaving for a weekend at the Fantasyland Hotel in Edmonton. The Fantasyland Hotel is located inside the West Edmonton Mall. Self-parking is free. Entering the lobby and checking in. Check-in time is after 4 p.m. In the lobby, there is a store open 24 hours a day and a lounge bar. Let's go up to the room. Our room is on the 5th floor and the room type is Imperial. The interior has a romantic atmosphere in a passionate red color. There is a TV and a small refrigerator. Bottled water, coffee, and tea are provided. This is a king-size bed. The highlight of this hotel, you can enjoy the jacuzzi in your room. How amazing! Amenities are good enough. If you need a hairdryer, I recommend that you bring your own. The quality was too bad. The shower booth is pretty clean. In the spacious closet, there are robes and slippers. There is also a safe here. An iron is also provided. Overall, the room is quite large and very nice. After unpack our luggage, we head to the lounge bar in the lobby. The drinks were good, but nachos are not recommended. One of the advantages of this hotel is that it is directly connected to the West Edmonton Mall. Even after the mall doors are closed, hotel guests can walk around. There is also a casino within the 10 minutes walk from the hotel. After playing at the casino, we return to the room for jacuzzi time. Don't forget to bring your favorite bath oil or bath bomb. Bring champagne and chocolate and enjoy together. The next morning, we will have a breakfast at L2 Grill on the second floor of the hotel. The French toast was okay, but the waffles are not so good. You can also enjoy shopping at the West Edmonton Mall and the water park 5 minutes from the hotel. I will upload a detailed video related to the water park private cabanas, so please look forward to it. On our last morning, we ordered room service. Without fail, I tried the most basic classic breakfast and it was okay. After room service, I enjoyed the aroma morning bath like this before checking out. Checkout time is 11 a.m. It was a very relaxing and fun weekend trip. In this Fantasyland Hotel, there are many other unique concept rooms. I would recommend this hotel for couples or families with children who would like to stay in Edmonton. We made a reservation through Expedia, but if you book directly with the hotel, you can get promotions on West Edmonton Mall attractions. So make sure to book directly with the hotel to get more benefits. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!